Hi, and welcome to our Soffit and Fascia cleaning service. Your home is your biggest investment, so why let dirt and algae damage your roofline? Left untreated, they can cause stains, decay, and costly repairs. Clean, bright Soffits and Fascias don't just look good, they boost your home's curb appeal, protect it from damage, and help preserve its value. That's where Greensleeves comes in. For over 25 years, we've been trusted to care for gardens across the UK, and now we bring that same expertise to your home's exterior. Our specialist soft washing equipment gently cleans your soffits and fascias, removing dirt, algae, and mildew without causing damage. Regular maintenance not only restores the bright, clean appearance of your roofline, but it also extends the lifespan of UPVC or timber soffits and fascias, saving you money on future repairs. With Greensleeves, you have complete peace of mind. Professional, reliable, and thorough. We take care of your home as carefully as we care for your garden. Don't wait for damage to appear. Protect your home, enhance its appearance, and enjoy a roofline that looks as good as the rest of your property. Get in touch with your local Greensleeves team and book your soffit and fascia cleaning today.